Hey guys, if the Windows 11 update KB5063878 is causing issues like crashes, performance drops, or app errors, uninstalling it is simple and I will show you exactly how to do it. First, press the Windows key and open Settings, then go to Windows Update. Inside Windows Update, click Update History and scroll down until you see Uninstall Updates. Click Uninstall Updates and wait for the list of installed updates to load, then look for KB5063878 in the list, click on it and choose Uninstall. Confirm the uninstall when prompted and let Windows remove the update from your system. This process may take a few minutes, so don't turn off your PC or close anything. Once the uninstall finishes, Windows will ask you to restart your computer, and this step is important after that restart. Your system will return to the previous stable version, and the problems caused by KB5063878 should be resolved. If Windows automatically tries to reinstall the update, go back to Windows Update and pause updates temporarily. Another way to uninstall KB5063878 is using Command Prompt, especially if settings won't open. Press Windows R, type CMD, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open Command Prompt as administrator. In the command window, type WUSA/uninstall per KB5063878 and press Enter. Confirm the uninstall when asked, then wait for the process to complete and restart your PC again to fully apply the changes. After startup, go to Update History and confirm KB5063878 is no longer listed, and if everything is working fine, wait for Microsoft to release a fixed version of the update before installing it again. If this video helped you uninstall the update successfully, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.